Hey there, we're just pressing some keychains with Anna Marie's original music on them. This is an actual barcode for Spotify. So these are going to be really unique and they're going to be really nice giveaways for her. We're pressing on an acrylic keychain. So we're pressing on like the back side, and then it's going to shine through like it's 3D. And we'll show you that in a minute. So I'm just lining these up with a template. I drew a little box around the actual design because it makes it a little easier to line it up so that it's straight. And should have this ready in a second. Okay. So for these, we don't mirror our image because we're printing it and it's going to shine through the glass or through the clear acrylic. And it's all taped up. Okay, so we're going to do a few of these at the same time. That way it's less time consuming. So we have a bunch taped up already. We're going to place them so that the blank is on the bottom and your transfer's on the top. Okay. Okay, so we got 7 of them here, and I just need a little bit of paper to put over the top. This is just a white butcher paper with no waxes or anything. It's what I use for sublimation to protect my press. Okay, we're going to press it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And medium pressure. Here we go. A lot of people say 350 degrees is not hot enough for sublimation, but it is. And the reason that we're doing it at such a low temperature is so that our blanks don't warp once they come out. We don't want to heat them to the melt or to the point where they melt. This is a finished one that we just did, and it is really, really neat. We're going to do some still photos after to show you the depth. All right, I'm just going to get my heat glove on. Okay, here we go. All right. So you can see how it's already shining through. So I'm just going to tear this off. Here I am tearing the paper with my bare hand, burning myself. Okay, I'll just put them there. There goes there. So these are really neat. If you have like a wedding song, or you know, your first song kind of thing, your favorite song, you can get the image right from Spotify if you have a Spotify account, and you can save it to your photos and add it to one of these keychains, and then you've always got it with you. You just have to scan the barcode and it'll play. So I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm just going to wipe the extra paper off. It didn't affect the image at all, so yeah. So they're still quite hot. I'm just going to let them cool off before we put the hardware on them. But that's it. That's what it looks like. Thanks for watching.